a surprise gift for you. Let's see.
What is that? I don't know what's inside. It's very heavy.
That's why it's surprise. Okay, you can take it. Go, come on. And this one is gift, and this one is another one. Yes. Are you happy with this one? Look, I will just spray.
I think so, Daddy. That's why it's television. I think so.
On television?
This one.
How it's possible? This is big.
Oh my gosh.
What do you think is this?
I don't know.
What do you think? Have a guess. Like
Any guess, Shania?
I think so that is I don't know what
like
is that.
stuffed toys or car. What do you
Car.
think?
I think so it is car.
This one?
Yes.
So let's see if this is car. And how about this one? What do you think? Guess it.
This is house. I think so.
House?
House.
Really? So let's see. Nina, we're going to do unboxing na, ha?
Yes, I like it unboxing.
Okay, so guys, this is from Ate Banglor. She messaged me in advance that she's sending this to Nina.
Oh.
Swerte mo, Nina.
Shania is very, very excited.
Since how many days she's waiting?
She's waiting.
She's waiting for this. So, Ate Banglor, thank you very much. Narating na namin ang yung surprise gift for Nina. So, Nina, for you, this is car?
I don't know.
But you
Just try to feel what is that inside.
Feel it. Anyway, we sanitize this, yeah?
We sanitize
So,
it.
okay. Are you ready to open this?
What? What do you guess, Shania? What is there?
This is car.
Car?
I think so.
Oh,
I think
let's
you don't need
see.
Scissors. I will open for Nini, huh? Close
Look
your
at
eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
No cheating,
Oh
Shania.
so, look, guys. No. She's cheating. It's alright.
Oh my goodness! It's very beautiful gift.
1 second. If we said open your eyes, it's open your eyes, huh? Look, guys. Oh.
Wow! This is little Shania.
Yes. This is your requesting. Look, it's very beautiful. Nina will read. Best for you, my favorite doll. I love my little baby. Oh.
Give it to Shania.
Look, we
Let's
will
open this
it.
one.
Let's open it.
Oh my god, it's big doll. Oh! And material is very, very good. Look,
Very
wow.
good, Nina. Look.
Oh,
Look.
Shania.
I have new one now.
Oh.
Yes, and look, it's blue eye.
Are you happy, Shania?
Yes, I'm happy.
So you got now
So
partner.
what is her name?
I think so. I don't know.
Girl, you should think girl name, your favorite girl. Oh look, this is the Shelly. Oh,
Shelly.
No,
Oh.
Shelly, not Shelly.
Ah, Shali.
Shelly.
Ah.
Hello, Shelly.
Oh.
So you look after Shelly, huh?
Yes, I look
Okay.
after.
Ate Banglor, thank you very much. Nene is very, very happy. Okay. And now, put it here. No, hold it. And now, this is for mommy and daddy.
From mommy and daddy.
She requesting this long time ago, so it's coincidence, yeah? We ordered this,
This
and
and
Ate Banglor as well send this.
This.
So I
So
think this is match, yeah?
Yes.
This is match.
this is for coincidence.
Yeah, Nina.
And Nine was asking this me long time ago.
Nini knows about this.
Yes, Nine knows what is
But I don't
inside.
know if Madam Shama got wrong order.
Let's see.
Nina, look.
Oh, she's busy with her doll. Oh. Are you going to change diaper, give food to your doll?
Guys,
She have diaper.
Kasi
Oh.
swerte ngayon ng girls, children now are so lucky. Because before there was no Amazon, we just go to market before, or if there is occasion, Christmas, festival, and we buy our toys in the market. But now children are very full.
Close my eyes.
Amazon, online.
Online. And also thank you that our viewers, they are sending gift, yeah? They remember Shania.
Whoa.
Have you experienced this sending this online?
No, no.
Playhouse tent for Nina.
Let's open Daddy Shania.
Let's open. Ah, it's like this, guys. Look, Nina. Which one is, do you think?
Which
we
one is
order?
yours, Shania?
Huh?
Which one is yours?
I think for baby bus. I like baby
Playhouse
bus.
No, you don't like baby bus. Which one you order?
Which one
I
you
think
order?
so. We ordered these.
Your favorite? What is your favorite
Candy
color?
shop. We order.
But what is your favorite color, Nina?
Which one is your
Pink.
favorite?
Pink.
And blue, light blue as well.
So I think mommy ordered color pink for you, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see inside. Let's see inside.
Oh, Shania will have her own house
Oh
now.
my God, let's see. Oh! So we have to
You have to make the house, Daddy.
make the house. Oh my God, this is very
Come on, make it, Daddy.
long job.
Close.
Okay,
This
that's
is
it.
connection.
Come on.
But where is the manual?
Maybe
Where is the
inside.
manual? There is no manual.
Let's see.
Thank you, Ati Banglar.
Oh.
Sending my gift.
Oh, thank you
Okay.
very much.
So guys, it's easy to set up nga kasi meron silang assembling instruction. Sticks, how you will do it, and then step 3, step 4. From step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. That's why it's easy to set up. Yeah, thank you. There is a assembling instruction. So let's start na, guys. So it's almost done na, guys, oh. Meron na nakikita ko ng pundasyon, oh, guys. Nina, oh, almost done, oh. Oh, malapit na Nini mabomba. Okay, Nini, put it there.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, so almost finished. The foundation is finished now. Come on, Nina.
Daddy, I think so. You have to help Shania.
Yes, look, guys. Oh my God,
Oh,
it's big.
it's big house.
House.
You and Kion can play together.
Now, Nina, we have to put this. But to put this one is, I don't know. Let's see how it will. So now you have a house and you have baby Shelly.
Baby Shelly, no.
Is it like this? Okay, Nina, look. It's beautiful. Is it finished?
No, I think it's not good.
It's not finished, right? I think it's finished. Oh my God, it's complicated for me. Look, it's,
I think so. This is done, Shania.
look, this is house.
No.
It's not finished yet.
No, look what happened.
Oh right. But help me. because
Help Daddy. Help Daddy.
Oh my
That's
God,
the
this is.
window. That's the window. You don't know?
Look, this one. Wait, this is inside, yeah?
So,
Oh yeah, like I think this, like this. Nina, go there, man. Put it
help
here.
Daddy, Shania.
And this one,
You have to adjust the corners
yeah, here.
and
Oh.
pull it down.
Pull it down.
Hey, what is that?
Wait, Nina, wait. I think we're doing good.
Pull it down until down.
Because of this one is.
It will go down.
Yes, look guys, almost finished na. Oh,
This one
dear.
will go down.
Ang sarap maglaro ng bahay-bahayan. Na-experience nyo ka guys yung maglaro ng bahay-bahayan?
Hello, Shania.
Guys, na-experience nyo kayo maglaro ng bahay-bahayan? Doon kami nung sa kabataan namin sa Batangas, ay puro dahon ng saging at saka dahon ng niyog. You know, in Philippines, if we do this like this we call bahay-bahayan.
Mm.
But we use banana and coconut leaves. Yeah.
So that is very natural.
Yeah, very natural.
I like.
Because how we cannot
No,
do
when I
like
was small, I play like this as well. We
You
don't
know.
have. We don't
this? We
have.
are from the village, yeah? So all cousin during summer holiday, like from March to April, May. So we do coconut, banana leaves, and during afternoon, and then we cook. We cook food as well, like you know, cassava.
Kasaba.
Cassava sweet, and then we are enjoying our summer vacation.
Oh, that's nice.
So Nina, now I will give you your toy. Look guys, it's finished now.
You have to tuck it underneath.
Yeah,
So it
tuck it
will
underneath.
like this.
Like
It has
this.
corner.
Yes.
So it will not come up.
Let us see.
Huh?
Let's see.
Yes, there is zip there. I will show you. Wait.
Shema,
You can go inside, Shania.
Okay.
Oh.
Missing mommy.
So hello guys, there is door here, so you can tie up as well. And this is called Candy House.
I like the design, yeah?
You like it?
Looks sweet.
And this is like a two
Two
windows.
windows that you can tie up as well for circulation of air.
Here you can fold it up and you can tie it up. And look, strawberries and candies. Wow.
Oh, no, no.
And this is cake.
Okay.
And this is ice cream. This is cake as well, Shania.
Ma, this is a big cake and that is a small cake.
Beautiful design. Look, Candy House.
All candies.
How much is this, Shama? For I think for
$7.49.
$7.49 only. Okay, look, big cake. So Nina is enjoying now. Okay, Nina?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, your doll is crying as well.
Mommy, look.
Oh.
It's saying me.
So guys, this is not ordinary doll. This is talking doll, crying doll. Look. Yeah,
Ah.
saying dada. What is this?
It's ringing.
Singing, yeah? Yeah, crying. Oh my God. This is not just ordinary doll. Mama, dada. Look in here.
Tata,
It's
tata.
making noise, crying, saying dada, mama.
So Shania, your doll is very talkative.
Oh dear me.
Oh.
Miss Chloe.
Yeah.
Oh, she's crying.
So you have to look after Nini, huh? Okay?
Crying.
Crying.
Yeah. She'll
Come on,
move.
press more.
Okay,
Okay.
press more.
Mama, mama.
Yeah,
Is there
mama.
new again?
Need milk. Oh,
She's calling me?
dear.
Yes.
Oh.
So-
Now you look after your doll. Okay?
So guys, may laruan na kami ni Nini. We're going to play Nini, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, para na naging bata din eh. So guys, thank you for watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Thank you very much Ate Banglor for your beautiful gift to Nine. She's very happy. And Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs is nearly 200,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting us. Please guys, thank you for supporting Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Continue to follow us on Facebook page and Instagram. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.